What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, it's Mitchy Boy here, and just going to do a video and talk about how to tea stain paper to give it like a vintage look. So I did this one like a couple of days ago, and goes kind of like yellow colour, yellow browny kind of colour, which makes it look very very old. Also got this old picture that I printed, beach and palm tree. It's kind of small, but I just wanted to test it out. But yeah, so it's pretty easy to do. Just like making a cup of tea, really. Put 3 tea bags in this one, and just let it soak for like 15-20 minutes or so, and then you want to get a container that's like roughly the same size. I mean, it can be bigger, but as your paper, so just a square container, and then you just want to like put your paper in and tip the mixture over top of it, let it soak for like I soaked that for about 30 seconds to a minute probably, so it doesn't have to be that long. And then I just hung it up to dry. It was dry within like 30 minutes or so. And I also like crinkled it up a bit too, just to give it like just to make it look real old and crinkled. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. If you want it darker, I guess you just add more tea bags, or let it soak for longer. Also, I took the mixture back out in case I want to make some more, do some more, so I'm going to store that somewhere, put it in like a container or something. And that way you can use it over and over. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought I'd do a quick vid, share that with you guys, so thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you guys later.